Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to learn organic chemistry from scratch. Begin by solidifying your general chemistry knowledge, especially concepts like atomic structure, bonding, and intermolecular forces. These foundational elements are crucial for understanding organic reactions and mechanisms. Next, familiarize yourself with the basic functional groups, as they are the building blocks of organic molecules. Don't rush this initial phase. A strong foundation makes the rest of the journey much smoother and more enjoyable. Once you have the basics down, shift your focus to understanding reaction mechanisms. Instead of simply memorizing reactions, learn the why behind each step, including electron flow and intermediate formation. Consistent practice is key. Spend at least 1 hour daily drawing structures, predicting products, and working through problems. Using molecular models can significantly enhance your understanding of stereochemistry and three-dimensional molecular arrangements, which is vital in organic chemistry. To truly excel, establish effective study habits. Develop a consistent study schedule that includes dedicated time for reviewing previous topics and tackling new material. Don't rely on just one textbook. Explore different resources and work through a wide variety of practice problems to broaden your understanding. Forming a study group can also be incredibly beneficial, allowing you to discuss challenging concepts, explain ideas to others, and gain new perspectives. Finally, leverage the wealth of available resources. Online platforms like Khan Academy and various YouTube channels offer excellent supplementary explanations and visual aids. Flashcards are incredibly effective for memorizing reagents, reactions, and functional group properties, aiding in quick recall during exams. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to help keep your study space tidy. A clean environment can truly boost your focus and productivity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.